Okay, another class on common mistakes, but today we're looking at gerunds and infinitives. There are a lot of common mistakes. There are lots and lots of mistakes with gerunds and infinitives. It's obviously one of the complications in English. And there are a lot of mistakes with reporting verbs, which is gerunds and infinitives as well. You know, reporting verbs are verbs that take a certain structure, and all English verbs do. Maybe they take gerund, maybe they take infinitive, maybe they take a preposition and then a gerund, and we'll see this with some of these examples. And we'll be doing some more in the future because there are a lot of different types of mistake with gerunds, infinitives and reporting verbs. So number one, he made an offer to her. We don't say it like that, guys. We say he made her an offer. And that seems much kind of simpler, easier. Make somebody an offer, or offer somebody something. He offered her a drink, something like that. You can offer somebody something, or you can offer to do something. It's 2 plus infinitive offer. He offered to take my suitcases. She offered to help me with my homework, something like that. Offer to do something for somebody. And don't mix up offer with suggest. They are different. Offer is when you help somebody in some kind of way. There's always help with an offer, whereas a suggestion is not necessarily help. It's just an idea, a recommendation, a suggestion. So suggest is very similar to recommend. Offer is very similar to provide somebody with something or some kind of service. So he made her an offer, maybe a job offer, or he offered her a job. You can say it like that, certainly. He made her an offer, he offered her a job, he offered to help her find a job, also possible. Okay, she began understand. Now, I hope you can hear that we're missing a word, yes? She began to understand, or she began understanding. Both correct with begin and start. Start, you can say start to do, start doing, begin to do, begin doing. But with finish, gerund, yeah? Finish doing, you don't finish to do. So be careful. Finish is only gerund. Stop is gerund, yeah? Stop and finish are very similar. Okay, you can use stop plus to plus infinitive in a very small number of cases when you mean stop in order to. And we'll see that in a moment because we do have stop somewhere on the board. There it is. So yeah, remember that begin and start, both possible. Finish and stop are gerund. What about end? We ended. No, we don't usually use that one with a verb, but stop smoking, finish, you finish writing your essay. But begin and start, both possible. So she began to understand, she began understanding, both okay. Number 3, some parents make their children to drink. Now, this was, the student was explaining about how some parents abuse their children by forcing them to drink. And notice that force would be correct here. If we change make for force, okay, then it's correct. Force their children to drink, yes. But make and let are not used with 2 plus infinitive. And I want you to memorize make and let because they're the only 2 verbs that seem to function in this way. Have a look at this mistake. They must make them locate the document. They must make them find the document. No 2 with make. So I normally write it like this. Make